সমস্ত শাখা সংগঠনের নেতৃবৃন্দদের অনুরোধ করছি আপনারা আমাদের
আর তুমি তো দিচ্ছ না এত ক্যামেরা খুলে গেছো
1885 খ্রিস্টাব্দে
December is the founding of the Congress Party. If you remember W.C. Banerjee, A.O. Hume, great leaders like Annie Besant, later on people like Motilal Nehru, Maulana Azad, everybody who were involved in the freedom struggle. This party this is the 138th foundation day. The party has always struggled for the people of India. We will continue to struggle and fight for the rights of people of Tripura. Tripura and India is going through a very difficult time. In Tripura there are no jobs. Things have become so expensive. Just before the new year, Modi ji, BJP has gifted us with another increase in milk prices. So, common man is suffering. And the only agenda is Hindu-Muslim. Aap TV mein dekh lo. The other problem is they are trying to destroy the legacy of Congress. Somebody calls Modi ji father of the nation. Somebody says Mohan Bhagwat. BJP has so many fathers, I don't understand. इतने बाप का क्या जरूरत है बीजेपी को? एक राष्ट्रपिता है. There's one father, na? BJP always looking for another father. I don't know what is their problem. They will make Mohan Bhagwat father, they'll make Modi father, tomorrow they'll make Amit Shah father. You must tell them they should not look for so many fathers. इतना बाप रखना ठीक नहीं है. उनके लिए ठीक नहीं है. Forget me. ठीक है ना? So please tell them that. Father of the nation is Mahatma Gandhi. So we are we devote ourselves to this year to fight the fascist forces. The way Subhash Chandra Bose fought. The way Rabindranath Tagore ji gave us direction. The way Maulana Azad gave us direction. The way Feroz Gandhi gave us Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Narasimha Rao. And even leaders, I would say, better than today's BJP is different from Vajpayee ji's BJP. That also I am telling you. So today we rededicate ourselves to fight for the people of Tripura. Elections are coming. People are fed up of bike wahini, gunda gardi. BJP in Tripura is like operating like a mafia. I have been in the IPS. This is typical criminal behavior. Gunda, threaten. ये गुंडागर्दी का जो है, so BJP has become भारतीय गुंडा पार्टी. Thank you.
Yesterday also.
हिंदी में बोलना है कि अंग्रेजी में बोलना है?
Platform that you people are trying to form a democratic platform.
Why are you so excited about it? You'll see the results very soon. My question is very simple. All people who are fed up with BJP want to come on a common platform. What will that look like? There are local leadership here. Sudeep ji is there, Birajit ji is there, Ashish Gopal Roy ji, all senior people are here. Sameer Burman Saab, all the senior people are there. Ashok Dev Burma, all the coordination committee members. Senior leaders, let them sit and decide. My question is simple. अभी तो ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर बाकी है. ठीक है? Okay? Thank you.